Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at another T-Reqs command and use that with the demo project we created. This command is called T-Reqs List, and as the name suggests, it lists all the T-Reqs elements in a project. To run this command, go to the directory from where you want to run the command. We want to run it from the root, so we go to the root directory. And here run T-Reqs List, and it shows the two T-Reqs elements we created earlier. Now, if you run T-Reqs List --help, you will see a list of options you can apply while running T-Reqs List command. Let's apply this --type option. This limits the action to specified T-Reqs element type. So let's say we want only the business goals. We write T-Reqs List --type business-goal and enter. Now we have just the business goals. Let's use another option. Using --uid will display the element with that particular ID. Let's use it. T-Reqs List --uid, and this is the ID of the previous element that we created, and hit enter, and you have that T-Reqs element printed. Let's look at the other available options. These two options, the --out links and the --in links, print the outgoing and incoming trace links respectively. Let's run them. First, let's run T-Reqs List --out links. So we have the business goal element and the requirement element, and below that we have the outgoing link. Remember, the requirement element has a relates to type relationship with the business goal element. So the trace link is outgoing from the business goal to the target requirement. This business goal has a label of collection of training data. Similarly, let's run T-Reqs List --in links. We can see the business goal, and immediately after that we can see the incoming link because there is a type of element that has an incoming link with the business goal. It is incoming from the element with this ID, which is the requirement we created earlier, and the source of that incoming link has a label of types of weather. If this was difficult to understand, I'd suggest you to rewatch the video and play with the commands. You will start to understand them. The remaining options are --recursive and --verbose. --recursive command is useful if there are subdirectories in our project, and we want to list T-Reqs elements from them as well. To test this, let's create a subdirectory inside the root directory. We can copy the same markdown file and we can create a new T-Reqs element. We'll create a requirement and label it as such. We copy and paste this in the markdown we just copied. We'll also add a T-Reqs link tag, as requirements must have a business goal. We can link it to the same business goal that we linked the previous requirement to. By default, --recursive is set to true. So if we run T-Reqs List, it will show elements from inside the subdirectory as well. But if we do T-Reqs List --recursive false, we can't see the new element. And finally, --verbose option prints out the output in a verbose manner. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll see what we can do more with T-Reqs.